what's going on, all of you wonderful and amazing people? I am here today to share with you 10 legitimate work at home side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home to bring in a little bit of extra cash. If you just so happen to be new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. The very first website that I want to tell you guys about is going to be UserTesting. And what UserTesting is, UserTesting basically recruits or hires people to actually sign up with their website so that they can test other websites for their functionality. So basically, it's really simple work. All you will be doing is going to a series of websites, and when you go to these websites, all you will be doing is making sure that you can navigate the website properly, making sure that you can click on things without any problems, making sure that there aren't any errors, and all of that. It's basically really simple work, and UserTesting actually pays you about $10 per test. Now, in no shape, form, nor fashion will you get rich by working with UserTesting, but you can make anywhere from probably $50 to $100 a month, depending on how many tests that you take. The next website is going to be Slice the Pie. I have told you guys about Slice the Pie in the past. Now, Slice the Pie, I always like to reference that it's really good for teenagers. It's really not that lucrative for adults because it is basically a music reviewing website. All you have to do when you get on Slice the Pie is put on your headphones, listen to a 60-second clip of music. After you listen to that 60-second clip of music, you'll just put in a little bit of a review for the clip of music that you just listened to, and you'll move on to the next piece, okay? Now with Slice the Pie, you'll make anywhere from 3 cents to 6 cents per 60-second review, which is the reason why I recommend it for teenagers to make about 30 extra bucks per month. I mean, what teenager couldn't use 30 extra bucks per month? Humantic is going to be the next website, okay? Humantic is basically a website where you'll basically log on and you will listen to pre-recorded phone calls. I've talked about Humantic before. Now with Humantic, all you'll be doing is verifying whether or not the call that you just listened to is actually a sales call or not. So again, this is really simple work. You're not gonna get rich with this either, but it'll bring in about 100 to 150 extra bucks per month. Not bad. Fancy Hands is going to be the next website. Now, I've told you guys about Fancy Hands in the past. Fancy Hands was my very first work at home job, and I absolutely loved it. Now, keep in mind, this was over 5 years ago, the last time I worked for Fancy Hands. Hopefully not too much has changed with the website, but they have different types of tasks over there. Some people will ask you for directions to a certain location. Some people will ask you to order pizzas. Some people will ask you to add things to their Google Calendar. And you even have some people who might ask you to call and wake their child up for school. Yes, I've actually had a task where somebody paid me $3 to call and wake their son up for school. Yeah. Now with Fancy Hands, as well as all of these other companies, you can work as much or as little as you want. So of course your earning potential will depend on you, okay? It's very easy to make at least at minimum $50 per week with Fancy Hands, and that's just doing the minimal, okay? The minimal work. You can make at least $50 a week with Fancy Hands, okay? So definitely check out Fancy Hands as well. Inbox Dollars is another easy way that you guys can make some money from home. They pay people to read emails, take surveys, play games, different little things like that. And right now they actually have a $5 sign up bonus. So if you join Inbox Dollars, they will give you a $5 sign up bonus for you to put into your PayPal account. Now with this one, again, you're not gonna get rich. You can make anywhere from 30 to 50 extra bucks per month. It's not a whole lot of money, but it's gas for somebody. Clickworker is another website. Now, Clickworker, they hire you to do short tasks, anything from correcting text, transcribing, data entry. Now, from my research, they pay anywhere from $9 to $10 per hour. You can make anywhere from, I would say, around the $150 mark per month with Clickworker. Field Agent is another website. Now, I've told you guys about Field Agent. I've actually made an entire video about Field Agent. I'll make sure I put that link down in the description box down below. Field Agent is an app that you guys can use. Everybody, well, I'm not gonna say everybody, but most people shop at Walmart, okay? Most people shop at Walmart, Target, grocery stores, and different things like that. Field Agent is an actual app that you can download onto your phone. Just say, for instance, you're shopping in Walmart. They will pay you anywhere from $2 to $5, sometimes $8, to simply do simple things like take a picture of an end cap, take a picture of an aisle, different things like that. And sometimes they will actually allow you to purchase a product and do a review on it, and they'll actually pay you for reviewing the product and give your money back for purchasing that product. So this is a really good app. It's not technically work from home, but you can do it in your spare time, and it's still not a typical job. So you're only using an app and making money from that app, okay? So you'll take the picture, upload it to the app, and they'll pay you the money. As a matter of fact, on the last video that I did when I shared the Field Agent app, there was one young lady who said that she downloaded it and she literally made like 50 bucks in like a span of like 30 minutes. So it's a really good opportunity for those of you, especially if you live in a more populated area, a bigger area, say New York or California or Texas or somewhere like that. You can really make some good money with the Field Agent app because you guys have a more broad range of stores and different things like that. So definitely just check it out. I'll make sure I put the link to the entire video that I did down in the description box down below for you guys to go over and check out. Tigerfish. Now, I don't have a whole lot of experience with Tigerfish, but Tigerfish is a website that hires transcribers to transcribe text. Now, again, this is a website that you will not get rich from. I think they pay anywhere from 6 to 7 cents per line, but you can make probably about 50 to 100 bucks a month just doing it in your spare time. Now, this one, I've recently done a video in regards to Reb recently on this channel. I'll make sure I link that video down in the description box down below as well. Now, Reb hires transcribers to actually transcribe audio, okay? Really simple work. Now, Reb does pay okay for the work that you're going to be doing. Like I said, you will be transcribing audio, so it can be anything from a lecture to a dissertation or something like that. It can vary, okay? The audio that you will be transcribing can vary, but low earners earn anywhere from $245. Now, the top earners, people who type fairly well and pay attention to detail, they can make upwards to $1,495 per month. Now, it's really easy, really simple work over there at Reb. Like I said, I've done a whole video on it. I'll make sure I put that link down in the description box down below. But it's definitely something for you guys to check out if you want to make a little bit of extra cash. Now, last but definitely not least is going to be Ipsos, I say. Now, Ipsos is a website that actually pays you to share your opinion on a range of different things, okay? Now, the thing about Ipsos though, Ipsos does pay you in points. Now, with these points, you can actually redeem the points for either gift cards or you can redeem them for PayPal cash, okay? So if you decide that you don't want the gift cards, you can actually convert those points into PayPal cash to be sent to your PayPal account in the form of money, okay? So these are a couple of gigs that you guys can check out if you want to make a little bit of extra money from home. The link to the whole blog post with all of the links to the websites will be down in the description box down below. Make sure that you go over and check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.